Hello everyone. Today I'm making blueberry cobbler, which is so yummy. It's my new favorite recipe and it's just so warm and comforting, and it's like cake blended with blueberries. So I'm going to show you the ingredients, and of course the ingredients will be in the description, so don't worry about it. I've got 2/3 cup of flour. I use spelt flour, but I think any flour will do. And the best part, you don't need a separate bowl. You just make it right in the pan. I've got some baking powder and salt. And you just blend the dry ingredients. Then for the wet ingredients, I've got 2/3 cup of almond milk. I'm going to add to that 1/3 cup of maple syrup. And 1.5 teaspoon vanilla. Just blend that together and combine that with your dry ingredients. So I add just a little bit at first to get the flour wet, otherwise you're going to have clumpy flour. Okay, as you can see, it's still quite liquidy, quite soupy, but that's okay. That's fine. And so this dessert is relatively healthy, really delicious, and really easy. So that's what makes it fun. Then you simply add your fruit. I'm using blueberries, but it can be, I guess it can be whatever you like. And you just evenly sprinkle them on top. This is two cups worth of blueberries. Or maybe a little more. You can't have too many blueberries. Then you bake it at 350 for 45 minutes. I'll show it to you when it's done. And here it is, straight out of the oven, still hot. It smells so good. All right, beautiful blueberry cobbler. So I will have a little taste of it right now. Look at that. That looks so good. Wow, that's really good. The blueberries and the cake texture of the cobbler part. Wow, it's really good. It's like, I don't know, it's just kind of like old-fashioned, really simple, basic dessert, but really delicious. All right, I hope you enjoy.